The Crump Law Camp was established in 2001 to expose young people to a wide range of legal careers and hopefully increase the pipeline of African American attorneys.
One of the purposes of this camp was to grow lawyers, to grow great lawyers of color.
Law camp classes are held on the campus of the prestigious Howard University School of Law.
We know that they're all not going to be lawyers, but we want to build character.
The law camp is named for the former longtime executive director of the National Bar Association, John Crump.
We've got 32 kids from 22 states, and our sponsorship is picking up, and we're looking forward to next year, which we hope to be bigger and better.
Campers learn about the law from seasoned attorneys in classroom settings, panel discussions, and visits to courtrooms and law offices.
So my advice is, even if you know for sure you want to go to law school, major in something not necessarily like pre-law or something like that, which is good, that will get you to law school, but in the event that you change your mind, major in something that you're passionate about.
You ever heard that saying that you can't take it with you? You might not can take it with you, but my job is to make sure that whatever you didn't take with you, go where you want it to go.
Camping activities also include fun events, such as field trips and games. But at its core, the Crump Law Camp provides young people with a hands-on understanding of legal terms, courtroom etiquette and presence, and trial strategy.
When I leave, when I'm done a jury trial, I want you to feel like, and I'm telling you, I want you to feel like you almost owe me. You owe me to find in my favor. When I sit down, you ought to feel like we went to summer camp together.
Stand up. Hand out of pocket. Focus. What's close mind? Be a closing argument is, well, the attorney, well, the prosecution or defense has the last chance to change the opinion of the jury from so far what they heard on the trial to try to get their client or defendant either proven guilty or not guilty.
I feel that a closing argument is your way and your last chance to sum up what the whole trial is about.
You would add to their argument that it's not only to change the minds of the jury, but it's to solidify what the jury believes.
What have you learned so far? I've learned so much about trial experience and how to really conduct yourself in a courtroom.
It's like, oh, this is pretty cool. I like to be able to express myself and like get my point across. And then I also like to help out people. So if I'm making a difference in someone's lives, that's a big thing for me.
I learned that there are many different types of law. Like just today, we learned about benefits law, and I've never even heard of that before. So this is really opening my eyes to different types of law that exist that I wouldn't have had a clue of without this type of opportunity.
One of the greatest impacts of learning the law and getting involved in a mock trial program is public speaking. You cannot go wrong understanding how to communicate with people.
It gets me rejuvenated. Every year I come back and I get to see young folks who aspire to be attorneys, and it probably does more for me than it actually does for them. I enjoy it.
The camp culminates with the Yvette Simmons mock trial competition, in which students test their newfound understanding of the law in a simulated criminal case.
This case is about a boy who got caught with a bad crowd. Hello, my name is Amber Scales and I...
After 2 days of eliminations, the mock trial competition was won by 15-year-old Amber Scales, who earned a $10,000 scholarship and a laptop computer.
I'm really excited. I'm actually more excited about the laptop I just won. That's really exciting to me. I've always been interested in law. My mom's a judge, so I've been exposed to law for a while. But I've always said it was either going to be law or medicine. So I've always had this interest.
We are the future of our country. We are the future of the NBA. We are the National Bar Association Crump Law Camp Scholars.
The Crump Law Camp, one of the National Bar Association's finest programs, and a pipeline for the future.